In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video in Meta Business Suite. We'll walk through getting to the right place, uploading your file, polishing the details for discoverability, and choosing when it goes live. By the end, you'll be able to confidently publish a video to your Facebook and Instagram channels from one dashboard. Start by opening your browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. You'll likely see it near the top of the results. Click the official link to open the Business Suite. If you see multiple results, choose the one that takes you to Meta's business tools, not third-party sites or ads. Once the page loads, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials. If you manage multiple pages or profiles, make sure you're in the correct business account so your video reaches the right audience. If prompted, confirm the connected assets you want to work with. From the main dashboard, go to All Tools to reveal the full menu of options, then select Content. This is your central hub for posts, reels, and stories across your connected profiles. On the left sidebar, under Posts and Reels, click Create. You can choose a reel, a post, or a story depending on your goal. Reels are great for vertical, short-form discovery. Posts work well for feed content, and stories are ideal for timely, lightweight updates. Now click Add video and upload the file from your desktop. Use a high-quality MP4 or MOV for best results, and keep the aspect ratio aligned with your format choice: vertical for reels and stories, landscape or square for feed posts. While it uploads, avoid navigating away until processing begins. Next, fill in the details. Add a clear, compelling description that front-loads the most important information. Include relevant tags or hashtags to improve discoverability, but keep them focused and on topic so the algorithm understands your content. Choose your thumbnail. You can pick a suggested frame from the video, scrub to select your own moment, or upload a custom image. Aim for a high-contrast, readable visual that represents the story at a glance and follows safe zones so text isn't cropped. For captions, use auto-generate captions or upload an .srt file. Many viewers watch without sound, so accurate captions can significantly boost watch time and accessibility. If you auto-generate, give it a quick review for names and brand terms. When you're ready, decide whether to share now, schedule for a specific date and time, or save as draft to revisit later. Scheduling can help hit peak engagement based on your audience insights. Finally, click Save to apply the thumbnail to your post preview. That's it. Your video is prepared, polished, and ready according to the option you selected.